know if I told y'all. Hey, mama. Girl, she just let me know. What's up? Yeah, what's up?
What's up?
What's up, mama? Okay, University of Arkansas. She's coming.
Yes.
Yes.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
What up, family? And happy Saturday to you. We are headed out, and I know you just heard me say we, even though sometimes I tend to say it, you know, because I was used to saying it with me and little boy, but I'm actually saying it because I don't know if I told y'all. Hey, mama.
Hey, y'all.
She's back, y'all. She back. Yeah, I think I did. I might have told y'all that she was coming in town to send off my niece to school next week. So we are about to go get us something to eat. We're going to go visit my favorite Coach SA. Unfortunately, she is moving. So I had to go kick it with her on her last day of work here. And we're going to run some errands. And of course, I'm taking you all with me. So just wanted to say hi, check in, and let's get this day going.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast.
Favorite girl, she just let me know.
Yeah,
What's up? Yeah, what's up?
What's up?
What's up, my boy? You so stupid.
Enjoy.
I've already had.
All right, y'all. So I don't know if I finished that last clip, but look here. So I love them here, and the last time, well, few times ago when I came, the waitress she gave me a suggestion on a tofu meal, right? Yeah, she wanted me to try it, and she was like, I want you to try this, and I want you to tell me how it tastes. So it was good, but I told her next time, tell them to make the tofu crispy. Yeah, the next time we came and they did it, it was amazing. And guess what they done did? Let me show you. Yeah, so look. They added it to the menu. Yeah, I contributed to the menu. Yeah, baby. And she came over here and said, look. And I was like, girl, y'all done put it on the menu. Amen.
Don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. Moody. But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls. champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water, bear a sign, but all the elements.
Oh, you know what? We're gonna get her something that's pink. So let's do that. Okay.
All right.
My vlogging camera. Yeah. It's got a little thing on the top to reduce the wind noise when I'm
So what are you
recording.
taking pictures of?
No, I'm recording a video.
Oh.
Yeah, for my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
In my mind, yeah. Booty. Booty.
I'm so sad. Don't make me cry today. Come on, vanilla daughter. I love it. I'm so happy I just told me that she was going to get you last night. I'm like, I get to see her mom with this girl. I was watching Spider-Man the other night, not the new one, no spoilers, but I literally, it's when Jamie Foxx tells him, like, he pulls off his mask, and he's like, just based off the vibes, and I thought of you, and I was like, that's me.
All right. You got me?
I got you.
Okay. This is for you.
Thank you. You really didn't need to do anything.
Yeah, but of course I had to get you that.
Oh my gosh, I can open it?
Yeah.
Girl.
All things pink.
I love champagne toast. It's so good. And the match is so good. All the different pants. Oh my gosh, all pink.
Yeah.
You already know. All pink. We know each other's favorite colors.
Yes, yes.
This is so sweet. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. You did not have to do all of this for me.
I know I didn't, but I did
appreciate
anyway.
it. Miss Adrian's the best. Thank you so much.
You know I will miss you.
Thank you so much. This is like the worst part of it all. I'm here till 6.
Hey, Coach family.
Coach
Hey,
family. Hey,
hey,
Call me on the bad day, don't hurt you.
hey, you okay? Hey.
you got me on a good one.
We love Adrian.
And I love
You
y'all.
gotta get in the picture too.
Yeah, come on, ma. Get in the
Let me get on
video.
the side.
Yeah. That good video. Y'all know it's video, right?
Coach babies.
Yeah, Coach.
Vanilla one.
Vanilla caramel.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that.
Hey family, so I'm not sure if I told you all, but my refrigerator in the garage is acting a pure monkey right now. Do you hear me? Like, it really is acting like it don't want to work no more. But I think what it is, because it's still kind of cold, but the freezer is still really cold, but it's just not freezing. And when I went to, let me get over here because it's focusing on something else. When I went to our cousin Google, it said, hold on, y'all, I'm trying to get, there we go. When I went to our cousin Google, it told me that it's probably the airflow is being blocked by dirt and dust, and with the refrigerator being out, sorry, Netflix just popped on. With it being out in the garage, I can see that. Now I went behind the refrigerator, there's a bunch of dust back there, cleaned that vent, but that refrigerator, they said the coils are underneath. So I need to get something to get up under there and try to clean that and see if that'll help. If not, then I need to call somebody out here to take a look at it and repair it, because we need our second refrigerator because I'm so used to having two. So anyways, just wanted to give you that update. I'm going to sit down for a little bit. Me and Mom just made it back to the house, and I'll check back in a little bit and show y'all what I got while we were out. You already saw it, but I just want to give you, a little commentary on it. All right, I'll get back with y'all. Hey, happy Sunday, family. Look, I am out here fooling with this refrigerator, right? And I did a little more Googling. Google told me this type of refrigerator, Maytag, the coils are up under the bottom. And if my freezer is still getting cold but not freezing, again, it's full of dirt, debris, dust, or something. So I had already, let me show you. So I had already cleaned this vent out. It was full of a bunch of dust. But now I came here, I've already unplugged the refrigerator. And if you see this little flap right here, so far, let me do it this way. Sorry, y'all. So far I've gotten that much out of there, and I know there's way more. And I am using what I use to clean out my vent for the dryer in the house. So I got Mom here. I'm getting ready to have her hold the blower down here while I hold that open to get more out. Hey family, so we are packed up as far as my niece's items. Getting ready to go drop them off to her. This tote, I didn't fill it all the way up because I don't want it to be heavy when we get out. So I just threw some light things in there. A pack of tissue, a couple rolls of paper towels. She's got a gift from somebody from Amazon. Her mattress pad right here. I believe I tossed in some dryer sheets in there, along with some Tide Pods I threw in there. I believe I showed you all these already and said that I was giving half of my couponing haul to her. So it's probably about 6 to 8 detergents, more dryer sheets, alcohol, note cards, extension cords, a bunch of miscellaneous things. Somebody bought her a Keurig. This is her MacBook. Not sure what's in that Amazon package or this Amazon package that somebody sent to her. So yeah, and then we're getting ready to go grab her some bedding for her bed, and then we are off to visit Jalen and then drop these things off to her.
Lazy, you are the one that is going crazy. Yeah, 'cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late, 'cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better.
Okay, yeah. University of Arkansas. She's coming.
Yes.
Yes. Hey family, so I almost forgot and real quick wanted to show you my haul that I have from Coach. We'll start with the new bag that we have. Now, coincidentally, this bag has been on my wish list for about a year. And I've been waiting on it, watching it on the retail website. And I was waiting on the leather, but just so happened they put the suede on sale. Give me 1 second, guys. I can't do it with one hand. One second. All right, guys. So yeah, it was on my wish list for a year. And again, I was waiting on the leather. However, I saw that they had the suede on sale half off. Sent the picture to my SA at Coach. And the same day I sent them the picture, they sent me a video back saying that somebody had just returned this one. She's gorgeous. This is Lana. And she's so much prettier in person than from the website, but I love it. There's 3 compartments on the inside. Super light, not heavy at all. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I did spray it for protection, but I feel like I need to spray it one more time. All right, and then went up to Coach the other day, Saturday, to say goodbye to my favorite SA, Caitlin, who is moving away. And that was her last day. Mom and I went to see her, and I brought her a gift, only for her to turn around and tell me that these shoes were in the store. And what'd she do that for? Y'all, look at how cute those are. Ugh. Y'all know I couldn't pass them up. I mean, I could have, but I didn't. Yeah, I can't wait to rock these. I probably won't wear them until I get a denim Coach bag to match. And I actually don't have one of their denim bags as of yet. So those may sit in the closet for a hot second. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Oh, y'all know this is my favorite spot.
You should know better. You should know